Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to talk about spreadsheets and engineering, or yes, engineering mostly. Why are they so important and why do they have helped me so much? And why I think like you will probably use them, especially if you're in civil or structural. Now, whenever you're designing anything, let's say like a column or a pier or any type of foundation, frames, something like that, there are various steps for design. So for example, if you're designing a beam, for example, you need to check for moment, for shear, for break cut, I don't know, for like all the different condition, torsion. And a lot of times if you're doing it by hand, it will take you a while. I mean, the individual equations might not be that hard, but once you put it all together, it's not hard, but it's a little time consuming. So it's very important that you start developing your own spreadsheets. A lot of companies, structural companies, they have spreadsheets already set up. That's why I like MATCAD so much. Mostly because, yes, it's like a spreadsheet application, but it's also very visually helpful because you can see all the formulas laid out and they help you, like that way you can follow through. And a lot of like Excel spreadsheets, they just give you the answer and you don't really learn anything. And what I mean is, like, if your company doesn't have a lot of spreadsheets, it's good that you start developing your own spreadsheets, because that way next time you need to design that type of thing. And this is not only for structural, this can be for any type of engineering that you do, like MEPs. I'm pretty sure they could use them as well. You develop your own spreadsheets, and next time you encounter that type of problem, you just like add your values and you're good to go. And you can keep adding and expanding to it, like if the code gets updated or anything new comes out, or for example, like a regular slab or like a two-way slab, which I mean, it's probably pretty hard to do a spreadsheet, but you get the idea. Like for example, like a pier, like you can have so many parameters within a pier. So you can do a very basic pier spreadsheet and then keep expanding on that. So it's really good to have spreadsheets. They save so much time, and especially if you develop them, you will learn so much about how design works. It's very recommendable that you start using them, especially if you're not used to using them during college. But it's one of the most cool and important tools that I can recommend to any structural or civil engineer to have, just because that way you don't have to rely on problems. You learn the design basics and you just basically grow your repertoire. Like you can have your own folder with all your spreadsheets, and if you switch jobs or switch anything, you can just read your own formulas and you're good to go. I think that's everything I wanted to say about spreadsheets. Maybe I had something else, but I cannot remember. I think that's it, guys. Yeah, I hope you like this video, and if you like my videos, please subscribe and give me a like. And if you want me to do any type of video, let me know. I'll make it. Have a good one, guys.